So what I really want to understand right now for our listeners is where your sliding doors moment or moments were in your career.
Two significant ones. Pivotal story coming to New York, pivotal story to start Messana or work. You know, work for all of us is actually very fun. And,
As it should be.
As it should be. Design is super fun when you think of it as a game. The business of architecture becomes tolerable when you think of it as a game.
You can play with it. She said that this is a game with rules.
Yes. Well, once you understand the rules, you can break the rule, right?
Yeah. You're solution-driven people. So
yes,
things may go the way that you didn't expect them to go, but then it goes on to a different path, different course, and it always ends up okay in the end.
Actually, I firmly believe in that. I mean, that what makes design exciting is I don't have any preconceived ideas of the final outcome. So never get attached to anything and just let it go where it needs to go. And that's usually when your best work comes out.